SAP users have been managing their physical assets with a mixture of locations and equipment for decades now. Isn't it time the mechanical integrity solutions support this model? AsInt has teamed up with SAP to create mechanical integrity apps that are embedded within the SAP Master Data. This is the only way to eliminate the siloed data present in the current workspace, eliminating the need to map complex piping systems, circuits, and fixed equipment from SAP locations and equipment to third-party systems that cannot leverage your SAP hierarchy. AsInt's mechanical integrity solution allows users to perform tasks like risk-based inspection, field inspections, and thickness monitoring directly against the SAP location or equipment. Taking advantage of AsInt's workflow being fully embedded within SAP's reliability and asset strategy and performance management, allowing for cross-functional teams to leverage a single asset hierarchy to address safety, environmental, and production goals. To find out more information, go to asint.net or send us an email to info@asint.net.